Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to the channel. So the next question says, a particle is thrown vertically upward. Its velocity at off of the height is 10 meter per second. Then the maximum height attained by it. Okay, so just consider a particle. It just moves in upward direction with initial velocity u. So just consider this is ground. So from the thing you want to find it out the maximum height. So make it as h is the maximum height. Okay. So you know the kinematic equation. So v equal to u plus at. Then v square equal to u square plus 2gh. Make it as g. And s equal to ut plus 1 by 2 gt square. So in this question, they didn't mention anything time related. So don't want to use the first equation and then third equation. So only the thing is initial velocity they provided. So whenever the object reached at maximum point, your final velocity will be 0. So maximum height also it's there. So v square equal to u square minus 2gh. Whenever object moves in upward direction, your velocity reduces. There is a retardation concept. So that time your acceleration due to gravity will be negative. So now just substitute based on this condition. Here final velocity will be 0. Initial velocity u as it is to 2gh. So then minus u square minus 2gh minus minus get cancelled. So u square equal to 2gh. So next the question says its velocity at off of the height is 10 meter per second. So just consider h by 2 off of the height. At off of the height, its velocity is 10 meter per second. So it has definitely it has the initial velocity too. So based on this condition now, so v square equal to u square minus 2gh is same formula. Okay. So now v they provided us a 10 square and u make it as u square itself. So 2g. At what height we are having the 10 meter per second. So off of the height. So h by 2. So 2 get cancelled. So 100 u square gh. Now substitute this u square here. So 100 is a 2gh minus gh and 100 equal to gh. So then so 100, your G value they provided 10 H, so cancel. So 10 meter is the answer. So the maximum height attained by the particle is 10 meter.